plant seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love. It will all come back to us in abundance. This is law of nature. A very rainy and breezy morning to everyone present here. I, Dr. Anubhuti Sharma, Faculty of Commerce and Management Department and co-convener of NSS Wing, extend my heartiest welcome to honorable dignitaries from Sikka Trust, Managing Trustee Dr. Vijay Iyengar Ma'am, Trustee Mr. Karthik Shastri Sir, Secretary to Trust Mr. S.M. Iyer Sir, Advisor Mr. P. Babuji Sir, Principal Sikka School Nipania Mrs. Suja S. Matthew Ma'am, School Administrator Mr. Kirti Vasan Sir, Principal Dr. Unmekha Tare Ma'am, respected teachers and students. It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all of you. NSS aims to provide hands-on experience to young students in delivering community service. It gives us immense pleasure to announce that Sikka College has been selected as Red Ribbon Club Activity Center by DAVV University. And now let me introduce what this club is all about. Red Ribbon Club is a movement started by Government of India in schools and colleges through which students will spread awareness over HIV/AIDS. It encourages students to extend their able help towards developing healthy lifestyles, donating blood to all the needy by promotion of regular voluntary blood donation. Along with this, today we are also celebrating 9th foundation year of Sikka College by Haryali Mahotsav activity to register the significance of plantation in the current age of climate change and global warming. Now, without much ado, I end up my part by saying that time spent amongst and for trees is never wasted time. Now, I call upon Honours BCom first year student Ms. Priya Kumawat to continue the program. Thank you.
हवा की सरसराहट, चिड़ियों की चहचहाहट, समुद्र का शोर, जंगलों में नाचते मोर, इनका नहीं कोई मोल क्योंकि प्रकृति है अनमोल. A heartiest good morning to each one present here. I am Ms. Priya Kumawat from BCom Honours first year. Welcomes all the dignitaries, teachers and friends. Let us start this program by seeking the blessings from Goddess Saraswati. For this, I would like to invite Ms. Ritti Kiledar from BHMC first year for the prayer song.
जय 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 माँ सरस्वती, जय 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 माँ सरस्वती, ज्ञान प्रदान करो हरो दुर्मति, ज्ञान प्रदान करो हरो दुर्मति, जय 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 माँ सरस्वती, सरस्वती देवी सरस्वती, जय 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 माँ सरस्वती, जय 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 माँ सरस्वती. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Riddhi, for this captivating prayer. Now, I would like to invite Sikka College Principal Dr. Unmekha Tare Ma'am for the welcome address. Please, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Priya. A pleasant and positive morning to one and all. Honorable Managing Trustee, Sikka Educational Trust, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Iyengar Ma'am. Honorary Trustee, Mr. Karthik Shastri Sir. Secretary to Trust, Mr. S.M. Iyer Sir. Our Advisor, respected P. Babuji Sir. Sikka School Principal, Mrs. Suja Matthew Ma'am. And Administrator, to Sikha School, Kirti Vasan sir. I request him to please take his seat on the stage. The convener of this program, Dr. Jitendra Asati sir, all faculty and staff members and loving students. A hearty welcome and greeting on this joyous occasion of the inauguration of Red Ribbon Club by NSS department of our institute. Basically, Red Ribbon Club is a voluntary on-campus intervention program for the students, and it focuses on knowledge, attitude and behavior of the youth in voluntary blood donation drives and concern for HIV and AIDS, as is denoted by the age, environment and the lifestyle. To induce the spirit of help and support to people, such activities play a significant role. As we believe in holistic development of our students, being human is the foremost need. Though we are inaugurating this club today, but I am happy to share that since last 3 years we have been organizing the blood donation camp in our campus, and we have tried to inculcate the feeling of sympathy and empathy in our students, and we have visited various orphanages and old age homes, slum areas. The motto of actually the Red Ribbon Club is not me but you. The essence of democratic living, need for selfless services and appreciation and consideration for the fellow human being is need of the hour. Today, we are also trying to have one good practice of protecting our environment, and the best way is tree planting. This rainy season actually, and the first Monday of Shravan month, this is the apt and significant day to do this. So we'll be having the twin celebration, the inauguration of the Red Ribbon Club, and also the Haryali Mahotsav, that is the tree planting. So on behalf of Sikha College, I welcome each one of you. I am happy to have the Sikha 54 Principal Pawar sir and Sikha 78 Principal Goria sir with us. So I request all the students to please welcome all the dignitaries, our Managing Trustee ma'am, our Trustee Kartik Shastri sir, then Advisor sir, Secretary Trust, SMIR sir, all the principals of Sikha schools, and one big clap for all of you. Students, today is also the Kargil Vijay Divas. So सीमा पर हमारी सुरक्षा और मातृभूमि की रक्षा करने के लिए अपना जो सर्वस्व न्यौछावर करने वाले वीर जवान हैं, उन्हें हम सबकी तरफ से शत शत नमन. So once again, a happy morning to all of you, and hearty welcome to this program. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. There is no better gifting than gifting a plant. For conduct of gift saplings, I would like to invite Dr. Anubhuti Sharma, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
I request Advisor P. Babaji sir to present sapling to respected Managing Trustee Dr. Vijaya Lakshmi Iyengar ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I request Dr. Umika Tarin ma'am to present sapling to Honorable Trustee Mr. Kartik Shastri sir. request Dr. Jitendra Asati sir to present sapling to Secretary to Trust, Mr. S.M. Iyer sir. I request Dr. Ummekha Tare ma'am to present sapling to advisor Mr. P. Babuji sir. I request Dr. Sandhya Gupta ma'am to present sapling to Principal Sikha School Nepania, Mrs. Suja S. Matthew ma'am. I request Professor Vagnata Dubey ma'am to present sapling to Principal Sikha School 54, Mr. Madhukar Pawar sir. I request Professor Pratibha Saraswat ma'am to present sapling to School Administrator Mr. Kirti Vasan sir. I request Professor Jitendra Chaudhary sir to present sapling to Principal Sikha School 78, Mr. S.L. Garaiya sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the doing me speech. I feel honored to invite Managing Trustee, Educational Trust, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Iyengar, ma'am, to inaugurate the Red Ribbon Club and address the gathering. Please, ma'am.
Good morning, Honorable Dais, dear students, faculty members, a very warm good morning to one and all. आज हरियाली महोत्सव और सावन का पहला सोमवार और इस हरियाली दिवस में एनएसएस विंग के सभी बच्चों को, फैकल्टीज को, प्राचार्य को, सभी को मैं बधाई देती हूँ, अभिनंदन करती हूँ। जैसा कि मैडम ने बताया कि यूजीसी की एक बहुत अच्छी मुहिम चल रही है, जिसके तहत एक अवेयरनेस एनवायरनमेंट अवेयरनेस कैंपेन चल रहा है, जिसके तहत ये रेड रिबन क्लब का जो दर्जा आपके कॉलेज को दिया गया है, आप सभी बधाई के पात्र हैं। और इस हरियाली महोत्सव को और अच्छी दिशा देने की ओर हम बढ़ रहे हैं। इसके तहत आज हम प्लांटेशन करेंगे और ये प्लांटेशन एक दिन का नहीं होना चाहिए। जिसने भी प्लांटेशन किया है वो अपने अपने प्लांट को संभाले, यही सही मायने में आपकी समाज के प्रति आपका जो दायित्व है वो पूरा होता है। आज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने एनवायरमेंट अवेयरनेस डे भी डिक्लेयर किया है। उन्होंने बोला है कि यदि अपने यहाँ 1 बिलियन ट्रिलियन पॉपुलेशन है तो हर एक व्यक्ति को अपने जन्म दिवस में केक नहीं काटते हुए एक पौधारोपण जरूर करना चाहिए। तो मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि आज जितने बच्चे यहाँ बैठे हैं वो अपनी तरफ से अपने महाविद्यालय में, अपने घर, कॉलोनी, स्ट्रीट, सब जगह एक पौधा लगाएंगे और अवेयरनेस कैंपेन को नई दिशा देंगे। And it gives me also immense pleasure that under this Red Ribbon Club, we'll be having a number of activities. I was having a word with the advisor that we can open a public library in the Nipania village. So another activity, the convener of the NSS to note and principal to note please, that in the coming month we'll have a public library which will be taken care of by the Sikka College. आप लोग उनको मेंटेन करके देंगे और वहीं के एक सरपंच जी बताएंगे कि कौन उस लाइब्रेरी को देखेगा। तो सचिन वर्मा जी इसकी पूरी तैयारी करेंगे और अपन लोग सिक्का ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस के पास बहुत सारी किताबें पड़ी हुई है, गोरिया साहब और पवार साहब आपको बताएंगे। तो वो सब किताबें अपन लोग डोनेट करेंगे। कुछ किताबें मेरे पास भी हैं, मैं भी डोनेट करना चाहूँगी। बल्कि हर एक बच्चा जो अपनी किताबें आपके घर में रहती हैं, अपने से जब वृत्ति वाला आता तो तोड़ के दे देते हैं ना कि अरे बहुत जगह की जगह नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। किताबें ऐसी चीज है कि जिसको कि आपको लोगों को आगे तक पहुंचाना है। सो नॉट टेकिंग मच ऑफ टाइम, आई कंग्रेचुलेट द NSS wing and the college and the students, faculties, everyone for having Hariyali Mahotsav today. I declare the inauguration of the Red Ribbon Club open from today. I'm sure that this Red Ribbon Club status will be retained by the Sikka College by having various social governance activities in the town. Thank you very much once again. Congratulations to one and all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for formally inaugurating the club and for all your guidance and motivation. A good poem helps to change the universe, helps to extend everyone's knowledge of himself and the world around him. With this, I would like to invite Saransh Ramdurgekar from BSc second year to recite his poem. Please.
First of all, thank you so much for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. जिस तरह इंसान बिना रीढ़ की हड्डी के, बिना पीठ के चल नहीं सकता, वैसे ही प्रकृति इस धरती की पीठ है। उस पर एक कविता है, सृष्टि के आरंभ से लेकर अंत तक उसका वास रहेगा। सृष्टि के आरंभ से लेकर अंत तक उसका वास रहेगा। प्रकृति की गोद में खिला हर इंसान ये कहेगा, इतिहास गवाह है प्रकृति का, पर जब जब विपदा अड़ी है। इतिहास गवाह है प्रकृति पर जब जब विपदा अड़ी है। धरती माँ अपना सीना तान कर खड़ी है। जड़ से पानी सींच एक पौधा पेड़ होता, जड़ से पानी सींच एक पौधा पेड़ होता, बड़े होने पर भी वो अपना अस्तित्व नहीं खोता। क्या होगा पेड़ बचाकर ये पूछने वाले बहुत नवाब है। क्या होगा पेड़ बचाकर ये पूछने वाले बहुत नवाब है। धरती की पीठ उन सभी सवालों का जवाब है। विचार भी नहीं कर सकता कोई बिना पीठ का जीवन, विचार भी नहीं कर सकता जब कोई बिना पीठ का जीवन, फिर कैसे चलेगी धरती बिना प्राणी और वन। समाज की रक्षक इंसानों की जरूरत, उस प्रकृति की अदब में झुक जाए पीठ। समाज की रक्षक इंसानों की जरूरत, उस प्रकृति की अदब में झुक जाए पीठ। वो शान है जो शब्दों में ना निकले। ऐसी है ये धरती की पीठ, ऐसी है ये धरती की पीठ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Saransh, for reciting this mesmerizing poem. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. No event can take place without the hard work of the whole team force. With this, I would like to call upon NSS convener Dr. Jitendra Sati sir to extend the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. It is honor for me to propose vote of thanks in this event. I express my hearty gratitude Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Iyengar ma'am for aspiring her precious time and inaugurated the Red Red Ribbon Club. I want to thank advisor Mr. P. Vavuji sir and all dignitaries. At last, thank you our principal ma'am and all the students coming and attend the program. Thank you very much.